Welcome to our channel. Dear viewers, today's story is The Wise Old Owl. It's a wonderful way to learn new vocabulary, practice storytelling, and understand the importance of listening. Let's listen to the story first, and afterwards I will show you how it can help you with your spoken English. So, let's read the story first. Our story title is, as I said, The Wise Old Owl. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there was an old owl who lived high up in an ancient tree. Every day, the owl would sit quietly watching the other animals as they went about their daily routines. The owl observed their behavior, listening carefully to their conversations and learning from them. One day, some young birds noticed the owl's silence and asked, "Why don't you speak much? Aren't you interested in joining us?" The wise owl replied, "I observe and listen to understand better. Speaking less and listening more helps me learn from others' actions and words." As the season passed, other animals began to respect the owl's wisdom. They would come to him for advice, and he always listened patiently before offering thoughtful suggestions. The animals realized that being wise is not just about talking, but also about understanding and learning from others. Moral: wisdom comes from listening, observing, and reflecting, not just from speaking. Dear learners, let's see some keywords from the story. Observe, patience, reflecting, thoughtful, wisdom, understanding. Dear learners, practice each words and try using them in sentences. Vocabulary related to thinking and observing can help you describe ideas and feelings. Now, let's practice the owl's wise words. Here some. The owl says, "I observe and listen to understand better." Practice this line to improve your pronunciation and tone. Speaking calmly like the owl helps with expressing wisdom in English. Even during the practice, you can retell the story in your own words for fluency. Dear learners, after listening, try retelling the story. focus on describing the owl's voice behavior. Retelling helps you practice fluency and makes speaking more comfortable. Let's see what can we learn from listening and wisdom. This story reminds us that listening is just as important as speaking. Sharing your thoughts on the moral as it's a good way to practice expressing ideas. Dear learners, let's describe the owl. Wise, observant, patient, and thoughtful. The owl has qualities of patience and wisdom. Describing the owl can help you talk about personality, traits, and emotions. Even you can practice retelling the story to build fluency and use the new vocabulary. Dear viewers, thank you for joining me, the wise old owl. Practice retelling it yourself to improve your speaking skills. Dear viewers, I hope this story is useful to you. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that help with spoken English.